welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Asmi, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a study vlog, and I'm also going to give you guys a bunch of study tips and tricks. So let's get started. First step is to have a clean environment. The more cleaner your environment is, the more you're likely to be organized and be motivated to study. So go ahead and clean the space around you where you will be studying. Next step is to stay in a well-lit space
so that I'm pretty sure you get like glasses if you like study in the dark.
So I definitely prefer to invest in a lamp or just sit in a place which is near the sun or has like a lot of brightness coming. Next up, I would definitely prefer to make a to-do list because that's what I usually do. I think it's best to like know what you're gonna do. To have a purpose to sit down on your desk and do something is to make a to-do list. You can make it the night before or you can make it right before you're going to be studying. Something very important is to take breaks between your study sessions, because if you keep doing your studying, then at a point you're going to get very tired and you're going to end up procrastinating. So instead, I would prefer to take every 5 to 10 minute breaks after every 30 minutes or an hour. I forgot to mention that I'm actually currently reading a non-fiction book and a fiction book. The fiction book I'm reading is every single day I read a different book. I just have like 2-3 books that
in fiction that I keep reading one by one, and then I don't know if that I'm like the only one who does that, but
the book I am reading is called The Noticer, if you haven't saw in the video clip. And yeah. I just like finished combing my hair and I'm also all ready. The only thing I need to do is change my clothes, so let's quickly do that. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, then let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye!